In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Hubspot. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will bring you to the login page. Here, you'll want to select Sign in with Google if that's your preferred method, and then choose the appropriate Google account from the list presented. Once you're logged into HubSpot, head over to the Automation section. You can do this easily by following the navigation links until you find the section titled Automation. In this area, look for the option labeled Workflows and click on it. This brings you to the heart of your workflow operations within HubSpot. When you're on the Workflows page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find a Create Workflow drop-down button. Click on it and then select from Template. This option lets you use pre-designed templates to quickly set up your workflows, making the whole process easier and more efficient. Next, look to the left panel and click on the Nurture Relationships tab. This section contains a variety of templates that can help you maintain and enhance interactions with your contacts or clients. For this example, we'll choose the popular template. This selection is specifically designed to engage and manage customer relationships effectively. After clicking on the template that suits your needs, a Use Template button will appear for you to select. By choosing this option, you initiate the setup phase where you can customize the workflow to your specific requirements. The next step involves setting up the email you want to send as part of your workflow. You'll find options to configure the email content, subject, and any relevant settings. Take your time to ensure everything is aligned with your communication goals. Once you're satisfied with the email setup, click on the Save button located at the top left. Saving your progress now ensures that you won't lose any of the work you've done in case of a glitch or an unexpected interruption. After saving, it's time to finalize your workflow. Move to the top right corner and select Review and Publish. This step allows you to go over your workflow settings one last time, ensuring everything is as it should be before making it live. If all looks good and you're ready to proceed, click on the Skip to Turn On option. This skips additional review steps and brings you directly to activation. Finally, complete the setup by clicking Turn On Workflow. Doing so activates your workflow, putting your HubSpot tools to work, automating tasks, and streamlining processes efficiently. And there you have it, a fully functional workflow that you've created on HubSpot. With these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging automation for enhanced productivity. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your HubSpot experience.